What's up guys, Luke here with another video. In today's video we're going to be talking about the worst bubble mailer ever. Let's go. Hey everybody, Luke here. In today's video I want to talk about the worst bubble mailer that I've ever purchased. It's these. I don't know why, but these are probably the worst bubble mailers that I have ever purchased in my entire life. I can't remember exactly where I bought them from. I'm gonna move some stuff out of here. Just got some electronics that I'm flipping and have to ship out tomorrow. But these are the worst bubble mailers that I've probably ever purchased. And I want to talk about that just for a second because I don't want to see anybody else waste their money. So luckily, my younger brother, who actually is also in my phone flipping course, ordered these. I don't know why he ordered them. I don't know if he just got a good deal. It looks like he actually ordered them from Uline. But basically, my brother ordered way too many, and I ship out a lot more packages than he does. So he had like 1,000 of these things sitting around, and he's like, hey Luke, do you want to buy like half of what I bought? Because there's just way too many. So I buy 500 of these, and obviously I've been using them up because I've been paying for them, and they've been paid for, so I'm not just going to throw money in the garbage. But these are terrible. For anybody out there that is using the paper bubble mailers, I just want to show you before you order these, here's what you got to deal with. So one, they rip extremely easy. It's just terrible because paper rips easier than plastic. Another thing, when you do go to say put something in it that's a little larger, you're going to have a problem getting it in the package, and your package is going to rip on the side just like that. It's terrible. So really disappointed in this product overall. It looks like it's actually from Uline. However, when I normally order bubble mailers, and I'm actually out right now, which is why I bought these for my brother because, hey, it was faster than shipping. These right here, any kind of bubble mailer that is completely like a dual purpose, like it's plastic on the inside or bubble wrap on the outside. It's kind of like almost like dual bubble wrap, but the outside's kind of got a coating on it. These are 10 times stronger, it seems like, than these. Like I said, if you notice in the video, obviously, I'm not the smallest guy. I mean, I've got some arms on me, but these are really easy to rip. I mean, like a 2-year-old could rip these. I mean, it's just like, it's so effortless. Where these, because it's all plastic, when you try and rip like this, and I'm not like trying to fake it for the video, you see how much more effort it takes? I mean, you really got to try and like rip and tear it. And we'll go from the other side again, just like this. You see, just like this, just pulling it, it doesn't really, and I'm pulling pretty hard here, it doesn't really rip, but like these, you just take it like this, and it's just like, what the heck? So, I'm really worried about some of the packages I shipped out with this quality bubble mailer because it's paper on the outside. The other thing is that you have to think about is if your USPS man or FedEx man gets caught in the rain, and let's just say he's got a cart coming off the truck. I don't know if you guys have ever seen people who actually do mail delivery or any kind of delivery, but sometimes they'll come off the cart and your packages will all be stacked on a delivery cart or a dolly. And if your package is caught in the rain like this, or let's just say the delivery man puts it on somebody's porch, what do you think is going to happen to this material, and what do you think is going to happen to your package? And even then, there is a layer of bubble wrap on the inside of these. However, if for some reason it were to get through this bubble wrap, which it probably would because actually the top seal is completely plastic, your package is going to get ruined if it sits out there for a day or two, and then you're going to have a nasty return on eBay. You're going to be really upset. You're going to hate these bubble mailers even more and wish you listened to this video, and yeah, you're never going to order them again, and you're probably going to lose money on the return. And even if best comes to best, if it gets caught in the rain and your package doesn't get ruined, your buyer is going to be really upset that you delivered such a poorly packaged product. It just doesn't look professional. It's all about being professional on eBay and actually branding your business and, you know, basically looking big time. Even if you're only selling a couple packages a week, you want to do it the right way from step one. There's a saying out there, if you learn the wrong way, learn from the wrong coach, learn from the wrong mentor for 5 years, it doesn't matter how long you've been doing it because you've been learning the wrong way the entire time. So do it right the first time. Brand your business, look professional, and don't buy paper bubble mailers. Really disappointed in that product, so I just kind of wanted to share that video because I didn't want it to happen to anybody else. And if there's any of my customers out there, I know sometimes when in my eBay packages, sometimes I will, you know, send a link to my YouTube channel just for people out there that I sell electronics to. If any of my customers are out there watching that, I sincerely apologize for these bubble mailers that are really poor quality, even though they're from Uline and on the outside. I mean, they look like a nice bubble mailer, but they're just of really poor quality in my opinion. They're very flimsy. So that being said, if you are going to order bubble mailers, I recommend going on eBay or Uline. Get the ones that are bubble wrap basically on the inside, on the outside. I mean, they're definitely not plastic. Get the ones, but they're definitely not paper. Sorry, tongue twister there. But definitely get the ones that look like this. And another thing too, when you are trying to put something in these bubble mailers that is extra large, since the material is a lot smoother and it's not rough like paper, instead of ripping like these, you can often kind of stretch these bubble mailers a little bit and actually fit packages in them that are a little bit bigger. By the way, these packages right here you see, I think these are 5x7. I only use these for my smartphones. There are other bubble mailers that I use for bigger electronics, like I think I order a 13x7, so just keep that in mind. This is kind of small. These are bigger, however these were short. So that being said, I hope you guys get some value from this video, and like I said, stay clear from paper bubble mailers. It will be the biggest yet smallest mistake that you ever make, and you'll probably never make it again if you end up getting a return or a damaged item back. Not to mention, if the buyer returns it in the same packaging you shipped it in, it could end up on your doorstep and could get rained on and get ruined. Especially if you live in Wisconsin, Michigan, and anywhere else that gets this nasty stuff called snow during the winter. That could mess your package up too. So, that being said, I hope you guys got some value from this. Make sure you smash that like button, hit the subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video.